The first thing that we're going to cover in this series is talking about the coverages on your home. And the first line item that you usually look at is coverage A, which is dwelling coverage. So this is the coverage on your home itself. So really what you need to think about when you're looking at dwelling coverage is what would it cost to replace or rebuild your home. So hypothetically, a fire burns down your home. What would it cost to rebuild the same home with like qualities and features? That is what you need to be looking at. So if your dwelling coverage does not equal what it would cost to replace your home, then there may be something you need to tweak. A lot of policies may include 25 or 50% increase on your dwelling coverage, but these are specific line items that's case by case basis, and you need to take a look at it. The next thing that a lot of people look at is their personal property coverage. So let's say you take your home, you pick it up, you dump it over, and you dump all of the contents out. What is the value of everything that falls out of your home? So think about your furniture, your silverware, your clothes, any of your belongings that are in your home at any one time. What is the value of these items? That is your personal property. A lot of times it's a percentage of the dwelling, but a lot of times this cookie cutter way of doing things may not cover everything you have in your home. So take a look at it. Another line item that we see is other structures. Again, it's typically a percentage of your coverage A or your dwelling coverage, but this will cover fences, sheds, pool houses, things like that that are on your property that are not specifically connected to your home itself. Another line item that we look at is your liability coverage. This coverage is going to follow you outside of just your home, but it is protection for you in the event that you are sued. So let's say somebody is walking down the sidewalk, they come into your yard, they trip and fall, break an arm or a neck, and they want to sue you, the homeowner. This is protection to make sure that you are covered, and your liability coverage is an extremely important line item. Generally, it is not expensive to increase it, so it's somewhere you should take a look and make sure that all of your assets are covered in the event that somebody tries to come after you. Another line item you see on your homeowner's policy is loss of use. So in that same scenario where your home burned down, now you got to go live somewhere for 6 months while you're rebuilding this house. Loss of use coverage will pay to put you up in a condo or an apartment or a hotel. It will pay for your extra incurred expenses as a result of not being at home, and it's something not to overlook. The final thing we're going to talk about is med pay or medical payments. So let's say somebody's hurt on your property, some kind of covered loss causes someone to become injured. They have to go to the hospital. Your home insurance policy will pay out $1,000, $3,000, $5,000 to pay for their medical bills. And really, this is an act of good faith on the part of the insurance company, basically hoping that they don't come back against your liability portion and try to sue you for even more damages. So these are some of the basic coverages that are included in a homeowner's policy. Obviously, there are way more, but these are the big 6 that a lot of times we look at when extending coverage to somebody. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us, win@finances.com. We would love to help. Thanks.